I just dropped your plate. I have dropped like everything this morning. I didn't sleep last night. Good morning. Did any of y'all hear a little flash last night? You could have come out and helped the poor little guy. Yeah, instead of just food lady. Yeah, I needed help from little Minnie. I needed little Minnie help. I did. So where's my little Minnie? Where's my Monet? He says, I'm right here, food lady. Let me stand this up. All right. That's Minnie. That's Monet. You got hungry muffins? I didn't bring crunchies this morning. See, it's been a morning already. I dropped the food. I dropped the plate. He's like, I cannot eat this, food lady. I cannot eat this. There. I got some of these. How about some of this, Minnie? Oh, that smells pretty good. Look at that little Minnie getting so brave. Yeah, little Minnie. She's like, I'm pretty brave, food lady. I'm a pretty brave Minnie. Look at my little Minnie. Oh, she goes, that's enough. One was enough. Quit, food lady. You can stop now. That one's for Monet. Yeah, these are delicious, aren't they? Yeah. Here, Minnie. I got another can of food, too. Hold on, this one. She's such a brave little Minika. Little Minika. She's brave, right by food lady's hand. She is. Let me pat my Monet. Gotta pat my Monet. All right, little Minnie girl. She's little Minnie girl. Yeah, she's very brave. She says, I'm brave, food lady. I am very brave. I am the bravest Minnie. I am. Me, brave Minnie. The bravest. My two little muffins. I am gonna go in the house. Because y'all are so brave and sweet and wonderful.